Welcome to NAB 2022. I'm here at the Frame.io booth. I want to show you how Camera Cloud works and shoots directly into Premiere Pro. So what's happening here is we have our Atomos Ninja 5, and on the back of here we have the 5 and the Shogun Connect. So what this does is this allows you to record your original camera file on the Atomos 5 or 5 Plus. And the Shogun Connect, the Atomos Connect, allows you to record in tandem a proxy file, H.265, a 1080p H.265 file, and either via Wi-Fi 6 or Ethernet, you can then upload that proxy file directly to Frame.io. Absolutely. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to record on my Ninja 5 here. Then I'm going to cut on the Ninja 5, and that's going to upload to Frame.io directly into the Premiere Pro integration. And you see this upload file that's happening here. And then right here on this file is going to appear seconds later. And now I can bring that into my timeline and start editing right away. So this creates a high-quality H.265 file and a proxy file. So it has the same clip name and time code as the original file recorded on the Ninja. So because of that, I'm able to then bring those proxy files in from Camera to Cloud directly into Premiere, into my bin, start editing on that right away, wherever my editor may be in the world. We could be shooting here in Las Vegas, you could be anywhere in Paris, Germany, Japan, anywhere in the world, and have that editor be able to get those files instantly. Now when I get back, I can then relink those files in my timeline or in my bin, and then have the high quality 4K files later on, like 4K 30, 4K 60, or even 8K files with the Canon R5C. So that way you can start working immediately with the proxy files from anywhere, and then just relink to the original camera files in the high quality, high resolution files later on. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is while we're talking and explaining about what I'm going to do, I'm going to record this clip so you can see this clip come into Premiere through the Frame.io integration that's native to the new Premiere Pro app. So now that I'm cutting here, and you'll see this file upload and import directly into the Frame.io extension or the native app that's within Premiere Pro. So that's this file right here. It's going to take a second for the sockets to refresh, and what I'll be able to do is right-click and import this file into here. So what I can do here is I can scrub through this and I can see this here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to right-click on this and import this file. It's going to ask me where I want this to go. But first I'm going to choose my H.265 original, as you can see it right here. So it's 1920 by 1080. I'm going to import this into my documents, just hit OK, and you'll see this show up in the bin. It'll go through and do the import process and import this file in here. So from here, I can drag this into a new timeline and create a new timeline, and here's my file right here. There's other files on here from other demos, but this is the file we just shot right here in Premiere Pro on the timeline. So the crazy thing is I'm going to just start making duplicate files of this, and I'm just going to start putting together a little edit. It may not be great, but I'm just going to put something together. So now what I can do is then once this is done with whatever edit I may do, I can upload this directly to Frame.io by uploading the active sequence, having auto version enabled, and this is going to upload that file. It's going to kick off media encoder. It's going to render to the cloud. You can see it going right there on the bottom left here, and this will upload. This will transcode and upload to Frame.io, and so this will allow people to review and comment instantly from wherever it is they may be while I'm still shooting on set. So that way, if I miss something on a shoot, like in a documentary or whatever it is that I'm shooting, I can instantly be like, oh, I need to go back and shoot something else because someone else picked up on this because I'm so involved in the production. And it's really awesome. And I can make comments here. I can do all sorts of stuff. I add the full-fledged Frame.io integration directly here within the app. So I can see all this stuff. And you can see my timeline here moving at the same time of me doing this. This is just native in the Premiere Pro app with Frame.io.